It's Simon from iMask, and just making a quick video to show you how to assemble your newly acquired iMask face shield. So this is how it would have arrived, shrunk wrap like this, most likely, or in some other form, but that's the way we're packaging them. And inside then you'll find these 3 or 4 items, well 3 really. They'll come like that, headband, and the visor has the strap already attached here. So we're just going to take that off, and then we're going to remove the clear film. So we've already started that here at one end. And if you hold on to where the edges are here, it'll come off a lot easier, and you won't get fingerprints on. So there's our visor, and also the headband, so whatever colour it was, with the sweaty attached sweat pad. So that sweat pad comes off with Velcro if you need to when you're ready to clean it, and of course the elastic strap. So I'll just put that down there. So we're going to take the visor, and I'm going to take the headband and just lock it in to these holes here. You can see that going there, and it just locks in. And then up the other end, you just got to bend and twist a little bit till they go in. So that's in those bigger keyholes there. And we take the strap, put it in from the outside through that keyhole, and then that locks in behind the headband here. You see that there? And we'll do the same at the other end. And as long as that's right in the end of that keyhole, it then locks it in behind here. So you can see that there, locked in behind. And that's it, fully assembled. Nice and easy. And then it's easy for donning and doffing. You can just hold the edges here, and you can don it and doff it quite easily.